In this video, I want to show you how to set up a drafting view. And drafting views are a great way to two-dimensionally detail things in Revit and automatically regurgitate or reuse those views on multiple projects. And so in my practice, we use that a lot for standard details, standard types of construction that we repeat quite often in our projects. And so we don't have to redraw those details every time. The other thing that we do is we kind of use them as a template, and we can copy a lot of the notes and specifications from one project to the next and apply that to our next project. So stay tuned. We're going to set up a drafting view similar to this, and over a series of the next couple videos, we're going to actually draw this foundation sill detail. Let's get started with setting up drafting views. So we're going to go up here to our view tab, and we're going to select drafting views. In here, we're going to select our scale. I typically will select 1 inch equals 1 foot, but you can have a little bit of control and pick one that you think you prefer. So let's click OK. And let's call this sill detail. Or let's call this maybe foundation sill detail. So we've got this drafting view set up. Typically what I get started to do when I have a drafting view is I like to set up some reference planes. And I just want to set up a couple reference planes here to keep me organized. And we'll probably move these in a second, but I want to have some place to stay organized. And so let's just do a reference plane the other direction as well. And we will adjust these, but at least gives us a good starting point. And so we're going to go over here to annotate, and we're going to go click on detail component. And really the basis of setting up a drafting view is placing some sort of component in a view. And so really this foundation sill detail, it's a two-dimensional view, and this is essentially how to set up a drafting view. Stay tuned for other videos, and we'll actually finish building out this foundation sill detail. Thanks for watching.